Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore what might be the 5 reasons you are not experiencing forward movement in your spiritual journey or your twin flame journey. So, without wasting time, let's start. So, the number one reason is like you might be feeding yourself with the wrong set of information, or you might be discussing all the experiences you are undergoing in on your twin flame journey with the people who are not on this journey. So if you share your experiences, what you might be experiencing on twin flame journey with the people who are not on this journey, you are actually just wasting your time, because those people will not be able to understand you. These people will not be able to support you. And also, like, if you are investing in wrong set of information, and wrong, it doesn't mean like per se wrong, it means those information which are not supporting you in your spiritual journey. So there are so many twin flame teachers over the internet, and sometimes we get confused, especially in the initial part of our journey. So we seek so much information from all the teachers, but seeking that set of information from the people who are not in the harmonious union actually creates more confusion and more doubt in your mind. So if you are constantly feeding your mind with that set of information, you might not be experiencing like further moment in your journey. My guru Jeffen Chilia has covered almost all the topics which twin flame might experience in their journey in their TFAS classes, that is twin flame ascension school classes. And I feel like all the information has already been covered, and the people who are following these, who are people who are learning from these classes, are actually the people who have attained harmonious union and going forward in their union also. Okay. So, number two is that you are not doing any spiritual work, or even if you are doing a spiritual work, uh, you are doing that sort of spiritual work which is not specifically designed for twin flame journey. So, as you might be knowing, that this relationship is basically a spiritual relationship, and it is entirely different from all other relationships you have experienced in your past. So if you are trying to deal with this relationship or this connection with the tools and sets which you have experienced, which you have learned in your past relationships, it won't work. So the way to achieve union with this kind of relationship is through by doing the spiritual work only. And yeah, I did so much of spiritual work in my past. I did meditation. I am a Reiki practitioner also. I did NLP course also, but none of these work actually worked in my twin flame journey. And by saying this, I'm not saying this thing that these things are wrong or these things are not working, but there is a specific tool called mirror exercise which is specifically designed for twin flame journey. And whatever you have learned in your past, whatever spiritual work you have learned in your past, it is not going to get wasted. This mirror work is actually expansion of all the spiritual work which you are doing. Okay. So if mirror work is the mirror exercise is the primary tool for your ascension on twin flame journey, and you can complement your spiritual work with the meditation or journaling or breath work or any other spiritual practice you are doing. But doing mirror exercise is very vital for your progress on the journey. Okay. So reason number three, you might not be experiencing like forward movement is like you are trying to do this journey alone. You are trying to swim in the ocean by your own, and you are not taking help from the people who are already walking on this journey. So I tried to do this by myself, and it becomes so difficult when ego attacks from so many different ways, and you are not able to know like what is, where are you going, in which direction you are going. Here comes the support of people who are walking in the same direction, and support of a mentor or a coach who has walked on the path, and that coach exactly knows what pattern you might be holding in your consciousness, which is blocking your union, and which is not allowing you to move forward in your spiritual journey. So investing in the community, in the people which are walking on the same path, and taking help from the people, maybe ascension coach, is very important for the power movement of your journey. And like we have a Facebook forum community on like Facebook open forum, specifically made for twin flames, and you can access that community by just going to the Facebook. Okay. Number 4 is you might be having some trauma in your consciousness because of your childhood experiences or because of your past relationships, and you keep on projecting that trauma to your journey and to your twin flame. Okay, so that your upsets in the twin flame journey can be healed by mirror exercise, but if you are experiencing same upset again and again and again, even after working with your ascension coach, even after doing so many of hundreds of mirror exercise, it means there is some trauma in your consciousness which needs to be addressed. So the most specific tool to address trauma is mind alignment program, that is MAP. And what I have seen, that all the harmonious couples which have achieved harmonious union in twin flame universe, they have actually gone through that mapping, that map process that helps to release trauma very smoothly and very efficiently, so that you can raise your vibration permanently. Okay, so last reason and the fifth reason you might not be experiencing a forward movement in your journey is because you are so much attached to the outcome, and you are not really enjoying the process of your twin flame journey. So in spiritual journey, like so many ups and downs come, and like ego keeps on popping, and then again it subsides, it keeps on popping again, subsides, and you are attaching so much power to like achieving that outcome, that okay, I'll be happy only if I achieve the outcome from which I, due to which I started this journey. Like if I achieve the union with my twin flame, physical union with my twin flame, only then I'll believe that my work is working. So in that way, this is ego actually derailing you from your spiritual work, and you are giving power to that voice of ego, that if you are not getting the result you are wanting, it means like your work is not working. But apart instead of doing that work to achieve the result, your primary goal, if your primary goal is just enjoying the process and just keep focusing on the internal shift you are experiencing, if you are experiencing more and more calmer day by day, calm in your consciousness, more and more peace in your consciousness, and you are experiencing like breakthroughs in other parts of your life, okay, so it means that work is working. So you need to pay attention to the little breakthroughs and the little wins you are already experiencing in your journey, and celebrate that wins rather than just focusing on, oh, if I have not achieved like twin flame union, it means my work is not working. You will achieve, you will like, but it is a process, you will achieve that, it is a process, and the process is celebrating and being, paying gratitude for whatever you are already receiving in your journey. I hope like you might get some awareness from all what I have shared. And if you are doing any of the 5 factors, you may correct it just by awareness, just by getting aware about that. And if you want to work on your blogs in Twin Flame Journey, I'm a certified ascension coach with Twin Flame Universe, and I can definitely support you in your journey so that you can experience much peace in your consciousness also, and with your twin flame union also. I hope to see you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you.